Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel Akambriyu. So today we will be learning again phonetic symbol and sound. Harapingra ang simang ko remchak sunakta kusyong biya ang ni channel na Akambriyu na. Dalo ang sing phonetic symbol or sound rang ni kuman ang sing skira again. Especially I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers, and also who are taking this decision to subscribe in this episode. Ang anak simang sakan tikun ndeke metel na kita kusyong biya na simang ang ni ang ya ko channel ko ni swing pa aroba subscribe ka ako kagamenrang na aroba jemangan ya episode tu ya video clip po jemangan dao subscribe ka na kita singa na simang sakan tikungan metela andegin banang titi aganas kenga ang ni ya channel ni aim di ang ni maksongan ni di ya English ko TikTok gamata ni ko jeda ko di cik community rang na ancing gepat na getaman gen yan ang ni aim nga uni gemen hai anak simang subscribe ka menang ko nga metel na kita kusyong biya na simang ang na daksak kenga andegin banana simang daksak ang ko gen aroba ya English ko TikTok take gamata ni ko na simang cik songgemek na ba cik community gemek na gepat na kita na simang daksaken nin bananga ka dong suwenga hayan sing gepenrang na share kain bana sualangin bana ancing yako gepatang na yako gepatani ci ancing ni community na ancing ni daldo bank pacadam birang na nambeni kura bagian uni gemen share ka pa cina kita anga anak simangko molmolat na kita kusyong biya andeken banang titi kan deki ancing ni present government ni chief minister ko kamen kaya ganan ko anga titi aganat ken deken bana anga kepen stetchi mijabel chu anga roram angachem unon bisong deki agana erpeng nak ni nak simang ni Meghalaya ni present government ni chief minister de ndak play nam gapa English rang ko agana fluent ni agana anin bana agana deken bana anga deki aganun blongin anga kusi yung aha aron ndak play rasong cha gistango uni gemen andake namgapa kamen rang ko manang odi namin kusi yung aro kacha angaya ko agana kata scan sim anga achkuko kandem kaya ganjanga anga angni achkuko di anga baraki nambatat na kataman gen ukusan anga chancis kainga uni gemen ya channel ko jensalo ya phonetic symbol ko anga syllable gi prak ko machotani jamanu achkuko sianiu pariaba onjotna nanganirang donga warang ko banga ontiti aganatken uni gemen subscribe ka pachina gata aruba share ka pachina gata anga motmola ya ko anga gepat nang ni maksongani ko na simangba yang ni mission ku susokat pachina gata anga ya ko motmola hai ni de daude let's come to our main topic we have already completed this upper row ya ko sakpa ertingko ancing mija riang pa episode 2 machotaha so today we will be learning this second row. We will be taking again 3 vowel sound and 2 diphthong and 2 consonant sound. So let's read on. This is E long sound, E. And then this one is U long sound, U. And then this one is A long sound, A. Yara ancang nak taman gen yara bakru kal kepa I sound nga ukon dekat ancang gamat nak taman gen I dekat mana yara U yara A and then let's continue ear and then air b and v. Let's read on this one. Ancing yako porayang na hay ancing normal spelling or phonetic spelling kita ancing porayang na hay. E. Here we have written F-R-E, free, and then S-E-C, screen, S-C-R-E-N, screen, week, W-E-K, week. These are the E long sound. We can differentiate this one. This one is E and then this one is E. Very short. This one is very short. This one is longer than this short e sound. Yara yana batiun titi bakrobata. Let's read on. Anjing ya u sound ona ribas kana. Let's come to u sound. U long sound. U. Here F U L full. K U L cool. S K U L school. P R O V E P R U V proof. U long sound. And then let's come on to next R long sound. R. Here we have written ASK. Many people cannot pronounce this one. ASK. They used to pronounce ox. Mandirang yako ask nimna porena kata manjemna ox niga matrongan diba yano chingna kata mangen yani sol spelling di ask. Yano a long sound aro sk donga. Here a long sound is there and sk also there. Ask. We have to pronounce like this. Ask. And then mask. People used to pronounce this one also max, but that one is incorrect, so we have to follow this one. Anjing yakuba max niga matronga diba anjing yakusa phonetic spelling kita anjing jarak na kata nga yana anjing na kata mangen M A S K mask. Aro anjing yakuba anjing pronounce kana kata nga we have to pronounce this K also mask. And then here also this one also people cannot pronounce exactly like phonetic spelling. Anjing yagata phonetic spelling kita mandirang gamat na kata manja. Bagaimana flux ni gamata, diba? That is very incorrect. So we have to follow according to the phonetic spelling. Then you will be able to pronounce exactly like native speaker. Flask. And then here F-A-S-T and F-R-S-T. Fast. Likewise, we have to use this pronunciation. Let's come to diphthong sound. Here, one is E sound, second is U sound, third is R sound, and then we are coming here, diphthong sound. Ear. We will be reading only this side. Beer. I'm not pronouncing this R because this R is mostly American used to pronounce this R, but British pronunciation they don't pronounce much this one. They will be pronouncing beer, and American pronunciation will be beer like this, and then steer, and then near, and then here. I'm not pronouncing this R. R is silent. Yako British pronunciation nusa R ko bangi gamata, diba? Sorry, American pronunciation nusa yako bangi gamata. Ndikin bana British pronunciation nudi adi silent ongaya. Udi gaman anjing sa barang yako jakanas kang odi jakalaibo mamba may baza American ko namnik patang odi American ko na simang jakanak tamangen, diba? Angan tangde British ni pronunciation ko jar kinga. Udi gaman anjing yako beer nimna gamatken, dikimna steer, near, here. Diki anjing jar kang nagtaman again. Hi anjing next one ibana. Let's come to another diphthong sound. Air. People usually used to pronounce this one air, but this one is not correct. This one is correct. Here also R is front. R is there. So here also I'm not pronouncing this one. Yano bang anga ya R ko jakal jainga uni gamananga yano air nimna gamatinga. This one is air, and then C-A-R-E also people used to pronounce care, but real pronunciation is care. R is not pronouncing. Hair, hair, rare, R-A-R-E, rare. Likewise, we have to pronounce, we have to use according to the phonetic spelling and its sound. Let's come to consonant sound. We are taking only two consonant sound. Anjing dalo gigani consonant sound rang ko rainga ni gaman anjing B aro nga siya B versus V nin mana siya ni gaman anjing. Let's come to B first, and then B it's written here, when we pronounce B, lower lips and upper lip touches each other. Ino anjing, anda kena kena ketaman gen, ya B ku anjing pronounce ka gen sem odi pangnan ya anjing ni kama kepa kucil aro kusa kepa kucil pangnan nanggerken na, jekai B, anda kena anjing ni kucil rangara gegen nanggerken na. Nak anjing proyang ini na hai. Let's read on how we use our lips to pronounce this B. Anjing B ku gamat na kata mereka anjing ni kucil ku jakalang na kata nanga aku anjing gamat ini na hai. B-A-S-E here A sound, base. We are using A sound. And then here blame, A sound, blame. Then blind, I sound, B-L-I-N-D, blind. And then baby. Dekin mana anjing pronunciation ko anjing jar kana kata again. Then next let's come to next 7 number. 7 number. So it's written here. I have already written here. When we pronounce V, lower lip touches upper teeth. Anjing ni ya V sound ko gamatang ode anjing pangnan ya. Anjing ni kama kepani kucil aro kosak kepani wagam ko anjing ara touch kaskana. Deke menangger katska ha. Jekai V. Deke mena anjing kamat na kata nanggena. Ini kemen anjing yano anjing porang ini na hai. Yano anjing normal spelling deke mena anjing phonetic spelling anjing donginga. This one we will be reading. Ya anjing phonetic spelling kusan anjing porang again. Deke mena V-A-N, vain. And then V-A-L, veil. V-R-S-T, vast. Vivid. V-E-V-E, vivid. We have to pronounce this way. Anjing ya kata taki anjing jar kang nakatan again. We have finished this one, and then let's come to another this one. Showing you this one differences between F and V. Ya F aro V ni V ni dengtanggar kaniko nga yeno miso katinga deken mana ino dekis ya. Difference between V and F. Yeno anga siya ha. Gimana? I have written here V unvoiced sound, and then V voice sound, and then F unvoiced sound. Dekis ya ha. Voice aro unvoiced ni maksongane de. The meaning of this voice and unvoiced. Voice means we have to use like this V. That means more bigger sound is coming. When the unvoiced is sounding, then f. That way we have to pronounce. That means V is voice and then F is unvoiced. Okay, let's come to next. Nowadays we used to hear the database and then quarantine. Tauro de anjing database aro quarantine kebarang ko kena nak tamat ninga ni keman anjing yarang ko ba titi kare kat nak tas kengan deken mana yano anjing nak tamat gen ia de normal spelling odi database. Andi ba phonetic spelling odi database. D-A-T sure B-A-S database. Deke mana ceng porai nak tamat gen. Deke mana quarantine imna manderang kamatingan. Deke mana yakuban ceng andeke porai skana tamat gen. Ya phonetic spelling kita ceng jar nak tamat gen. Ya no quarantine. Deke quarantine. Deke mana ceng kamat nak tamat gen. Ya real pronunciation di ya no nga. Deke mana quarantine di umja di ba quarantine yan kare ko nga. Uni kemen dalan cingni lesson dia nun bontong ya ha. We have completed this 7 sound. So we will be continuing in next episode. This will be second episode. So we will be continuing again. Cing yanun dalin lesson ko di bontong ay no. Uni kemen cing next one cing getam kepa episode cing continue ka again. Uni kemen ay ako request katang scan na simang subscribe ka bu. Aro yako repeng sekarang na aro antang ni jongko pano keparang na de drang rang na nak simang skina tarifa bo jeda kode anjing tik tak tak ke English ko gambar na gataman gen aro anjing ka dongi confident onge muna anjing aga na gataman gen metel bia sakantikon isol sakantina paticina